Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eva and in today's video I want to show you my monthly keep up routine. These are things that I do once in a while to make me look and feel better. I spent the past 3 weeks at home recovering from COVID and I didn't have any energy or desire to do anything. I was barefaced the whole time. I felt super pale, chipped nail polish. I couldn't even go upstairs. It seemed like so hard for me. I lost my appetite, I lost a lot of weight, muscle, and I just felt so bad. And now this week my birthday is approaching, so I decided to just make myself feel better, look better, just do little things that lift my spirit and make me feel much better. And I will do a DIY mask that really makes my hair super healthy and shiny, so make sure to check that out. I hope you find helpful tips and tricks and things that you can try on your next self-care day. Also subscribe to my channel for more similar content. I try to post videos every week. Okay, let's get started. And the first thing I want to do is to remove unwanted hair from my upper lip. I do this once in a while when I feel I need it. I will be using sugar wax. I made this myself. It is relatively easy to make. This sugar method is so much better than waxing because it is much easier to use. It is less painful, gentle on the skin. It doesn't really pull the skin that much as waxing. With the wax you can bruise yourself, you can really damage the skin, you can get breakouts after, because this can only remove the top layer. This is not painful, and if you get red, it goes away very fast. So I'm killing two birds with one stone. I will be whitening my teeth, but meanwhile, while I do that, why not stay with a moisturizing eye mask? For the teeth whitening I will be using this Plus White. This is my favorite and I have been using this for many years. I know a lot of people like the Crest whitening strips, but for me they right away make my teeth sensitive. The moment I put them on, they are so harsh on my teeth. They are also very expensive. This thing cost less than $10. Never gives me any sensitivity and makes my teeth super white. And the trick to this is to get mouth guards. You can take those mouth guards, dip them in hot water, mold them to your teeth, and then you have your custom whitening trays. I'll link both of those below. You can find them on Amazon or Walmart. Very inexpensive. I feel like this thing will cost you less than $10. Apply it with a Q-tip on my teeth. And after I'm done with this, I will laminate my eyebrows. I love the effect. It's lifting my eyes and makes my eyebrows a little bit thicker and fuller. And this is the kit I'm using to laminate my eyebrows. First step is Lash Adhesive, and I'm not using the one that comes in the kit anymore because it doesn't do anything. This is one of the most important steps, is the glue you're using, and just to make your eyebrows as lifted as possible. If you look crazy, then you're doing a good job. And I will do fixation now. And the trick to this is to brush it upwards while you're doing the treatment. Don't freak out, it won't stay like this afterwards. Another 10-15 minutes. Once I put makeup on and fill them in a little bit, they will look much better. This is how my eyebrows look after I fill them in a little bit, and after that lamination. And now I will do a treatment on my face with this machine. This is a radio frequency machine and it is very comparable to those machines that they use at high-end spa salons. It uses radio frequency to break the old collagen. It makes your body produce new collagen that is fresher and makes your skin firmer and more defined, gets rid of fine lines and wrinkles. And I should be using this more often, but I kind of always forget about this machine. I bought this from Amazon a while ago after like a long research. It had like very good reviews, so I will link it down below. It's a bit pricey, but with regular use I feel like it can really benefit the look of your skin. One thing that I definitely need to do is my nails. They are so bad. I will just remove the nail polish right now. Before I paint my nails, I want to do a DIY hair mask. So I'm going to make this hair mask that makes my hair like super shiny and smooth and healthy looking. But before that, I feel like I should set up my atmosphere. The key here is to use a very ripe banana. To strain the banana first, and that is why I said make sure your banana is really ripe. I used banana that was frozen and it was like right when it was like super ripe. Like this is very important because otherwise you're gonna end up with pieces of banana all over your hair, and trust me, they are not going to wash out. Now I'm putting yogurt and then I'm putting egg. Any extra protein makes the hair shinier and smoother. Extra virgin olive oil. I will do a spoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is great for the scalp and for the hair, just that it balances the pH level. It will smooth out the cuticle, it will make it shiny, and it will nourish it a lot. I'm putting a little bit of raw honey just because like I want to be extra today. And no exact measurements depending on the length of your hair. See, brush your hair before that, put a towel because it will be messy, and just start like working this into the hair. It is messy, but trust me, the result will be good. Work it into the scalp and into the roots, and then from there on we're gonna apply it all over the length of the hair and just give it a little bit massage. And I will do my nails quickly. So I just showered and it wasn't hard to wash out that hair mask. Here are my nails. I did this like easy, super easy nail art that even a child can do, but I feel like it's a little bit something. I want to do a little bit of self-tanner because my summer tan is fading. I'm not gonna do my whole body because my legs are still like pretty dark, but I just need a little bit refreshment around my face and my neck. I'm going to use this Saint-Tropez one. It's not super dark, but it's just enough like glow that it gives me. And I have a lot of videos where I test and review and show you how I apply self-tanner, so if you guys are interested, go check those out. I will leave them down below. And then I'm going to do this Saint-Tropez on my face, and this is just clear, but it develops in a couple of hours. I'll dry my hair, get ready, and I'll see you guys later. I did a DIY hair mask that I would highly recommend you to try on your next self-care day. It's really good, and it made my hair very healthy looking, very shiny, and I love the results. So when you have some extra time, make sure to try this hair mask. I finally put on some makeup and I feel so much better. And I did this pretty simple nail art that even a child can make, so but I wanted to be a little bit extra. And nail art is very trendy right now. I'm not really good at it, but I try to do like simple things and just to make it a little bit more interesting. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Turn the bell on so you know when I post. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! And today is actually the day of my birthday. It's October 15th and I am going out. I'm just so excited because I haven't been out in a long time. So we're just gonna go have dinner. So it just feels so nice to get ready and